Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a grocery haul collab where it's hosted by Tiffany over at Small Town 6 on YouTube, and then the co-host is Jessica Rose at Jessica Rose on YouTube. So it is officially September. It's almost time to start grocery shopping for certain things. So this month I went ahead and just bought a bunch of different things for lunch and for snacks and just things like that. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I bought. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. Okay guys, so I'm at a Kroger. Halfway in Kroger, it got dark and it is like pouring down rain. I'm soaking wet right now. I did not get a birthday cake for Charles out of Kroger, so now I'm headed over to Food Line to go get that. And then I also was looking for some shrimp, but couldn't find that either. But let me show you guys this rain. Like, this is what's going on right about now. I'm soaking wet. You guys can't see it because this is like one of those dry fit shirts, like to work out. But my back is soaked, my arms are soaked. All of my groceries kind of fit in the back, but then they're also in the trunk too. So, whew, what a trip. So in today's grocery haul, this is everything that I got from Kroger and Food Line. Kroger was the most of my stuff I got from. Food Line, I just got a couple of things. So I did get some French vanilla coffee creamer, 1% milk, as well as some silk almond milk. I could easily take this on the go in the mornings. And I got 2 tomatoes. I'm going to be using those for lunch to make sandwiches. I got some country sausage gravy. So I'm going to buy some ciabatta bread and I'm going to make sandwiches. And I have a thing of iceberg lettuce. And then I ended up getting these blueberries because someone left a coupon at Kroger. Buy 2 berries, save 80 cents. So I ended up getting that. I also got 2 Lunchables at Food Lion. Buy 2 for $4 and get 1 free. And then I got the berries, the strawberries this time. So the strawberries and the blueberries were buy 2, save 80 cents. Great deal. Grapes this week were 89 cents, and so I got those for like $2 or $3. Got some unsweetened blueberry applesauce for the kiddos to take for lunch, as well as some cinnamon applesauce. I did go ahead and get me another pineapple, as I would like to use that to make some juices, especially to take with me to lunch in the mornings, or to have for breakfast. I also got this Tuna Creations Honey Barbecue. These were on sale for $1. Got some dinner yeast rolls. I also got some slushy Go-Gurts, and I got some corn meatless patties along with some meatless nuggets by Corn as well. They were buy 2, save $1. And then I also got the ultimate plant-based chicken fillets. Got some Paw Patrol string cheese. I got light and fit Greek vanilla yogurt. I like to put granola in those. These were reduced on manager special, so I did buy these. I think that it is salami, a boiled egg, and a piece of cheese. I went ahead and got some small shrimp. I got 2 of the El Monterey bacon, egg, and cheese burritos. I love to have those for breakfast on the go. And then I also got chicken drumsticks, as well as 2 big hamburger meat. They were $8.49, and I went ahead and got both of them. I did have a coupon for a free Ben & Jerry's ice cream, and then I got the Chuck E. Cheese pizza for $5.99. I also got some Guardian plant-based meatballs, as well as some regular meatballs. Definitely like to try vegetarian and vegan stuff, so I also got the Guardian fish fillets. Like I said, I like to try different stuff. I also got the classic garden salad, as well as the Marie Callender's birthday cake pie. I got unsalted butter and salted butter in a 2-pack. That way I'm always on hand with butter. I got some corn on the cob as well as some pizza blend so I can make the kids some pizza for their lunches this week or next week. And then I went ahead and got 3 different chicken wingettes. One was $4.43, so you guys can see how many are in there. And then you guys get to see that one was $4.58 and the other one was $4.55. So I did go ahead and pick up all 3. I got the Minute Maid Zero Sugar Lemonade as well as the Mango Passion. And then I got some cinnamon rolls. Definitely can't wait to try those. I went ahead and got Charles a birthday cake, so happy birthday to you. And then I got some carrots that the kids can take with lunch. I got a free orange juice because I had a coupon. Crinkle cut fries, some vanilla wafers with pudding, and then bananas. And I also got this ciabatta rolls. It's only 4 in here and I can warm them up at home and take them for sandwiches. So I got some English muffins as I'll be putting butter on those. And I got the Skinny Pack 6 bags. The kids can have those for snack or I can include them in their lunch, as well as this bubble fruit that's on closeout until they're all gone. I also got some cosmic brownies, as I will divide these in half and this will be the kids' treats. And then we got some Swiss rolls, and then I got the donuts on the dough, where these are the ones that Skylar prefers while Cam prefers the frosted ones. I got some Miss Myers hand soap because I was running low, or actually dish soap, I'm sorry, because I was running low. And these bags were on closeout. There are 5 bags in there for about $1.88. Got some mini snack raisin packs. I think that these would be something great for a snack or a lunch. And then I went ahead and got the 18 bars of the chewy variety mix, where it comes with peanut butter, chocolate chip chunk, and then s'mores. I also got these frosted donuts on the go, as these are Cam's go-tos. He prefers these. I also got some French Toast Crunch, which is my favorite cereal. We're trying a new cereal, Lucky Charms Marshmallow Clusters. And then there's also Chocolate Toast Crunch. Comment down below if you've ever seen these before. I also went ahead and got a Sour Patch Kids grape pack. Got the original barbecue chicken creations tuna fish. We got some egg noodles. I like to make these buttered noodles. And then I went ahead and got the 2 toothbrushes. These were buy one, get one free, priced at $6.99 each. So we got one for free and paid $7 for the other one. I also got this Johnson's Baby Bar. This was only $1.19 with the coupon that I had. I got some sandwich bags, double zipper. So yeah, packing snacks and lunch, we will definitely need these. I went ahead and got some mini twist pretzels as well as Doritos, Cool Ranch. These were $1.88 each. And I also got the nacho cheese ones. So like I said, $1.88 for both bags each. And then I went ahead and got the Tostitos, Cantina, thin and crispy. These come very great and salty. I wanted to pick this up to try to make to keep and eat for breakfast. These are muffins, apple cinnamon. And then we went ahead and got the blue and purple ice packs as the kids are packing lunch this year. I got the 12 count of the oatmeal cream pies, as well as the purple and blue Powerades. We definitely enjoyed trying one of these for the first time at Busch Gardens the other day. So I went ahead and bought those. I got the Disney Pixar fruit snacks, comes in a 22 pack, as well as some juice. So I got High C grabbing grape and the orange kind for the kiddos to just grab and put with their lunches in the morning, as well as Capri Suns, a 30 count. So they can just grab their juice that they need for lunch, and there they go. So I also went ahead and got some hot dog buns, some white sliders. Maybe I will make some mini Sloppy Joes. And then I had to buy the hamburger buns for my Guardian chicken sandwiches. And then I went ahead and got 4 loaves of bread, just because I will be making homemade peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables. And then I got some mini seedless cucumbers, as well as some grape tomatoes. My mom found a coupon in the store while we were in there shopping, and I went ahead and used it. I also got the Tiavana spiced apple cider. It looks like it comes with a couple of little satchels, and it tells me how to make it. And this was on closeout, so I thought it'd be a really great thing to have this fall. So I just bought it, and I'll put it to the side until then. I also got some creamy peanut butter because I need that to make the Uncrustables. Got some pizza sauce, as the kiddos will probably take pizza for lunch, and some Manwich Original, which I plan on making soon. And then I also had another coupon for buy. I think it was 40 or 50 cents off a bottle. And then I got the little mini Oreos, as this can go in the kids' lunchbox as their treat. And I also found these fudge strips, mini s'mores, where they can dip them into some white stuff. And then I have sugar. I also have birthday cake granola custards, I like to put this in my yogurt. And then I also have some flour and sugar. And yeah, this is my grocery haul for the month of September. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and check out the playlist linked in the description box down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye.